Hello friends, I'm back again with another update of my aquarium. I haven't been active and haven't put any videos on YouTube with any updates as I was busy in these last few weeks, and also there wasn't much update happening every other week. But I think it's a good way to have a long pause so can share the better updates. So to summarize, I will be talking about my fish and the plants. In the last few weeks, one of my neon tetra has died. It got diseased somehow. Got some diseases like swollen stomach. So I had quarantined it in another small aquarium, and it stayed maybe 4 to 5 days before it died. So now I have only 5 neon tetras. I haven't got any new. They're still doing good. And I have the 6 phantoms as before. As you can see, the black female phantom. Hello. Oh gosh. The black female phantom down there. So that has some split fins. I'm not sure. Maybe she has been quite aggressive chasing or the mating season, but she's still healthy. So I had been noticing it once, often, not every time, but sometimes I do notice it and it recovers. So we'll be looking forward for her fin recovery again. I got two ancestors also. One is the albino ancestors, the little baby yellow, and then the other one is the regular ancestors. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, there it is behind. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, there, climbing up. So I got 2 of those. So they're pretty healthy and active also in the aquarium, so that's nice. And yes, about the floating plants, as you can see, I think I kind of like this setup in my aquarium now, where I have the regular flow in one direction, and it kind of keep the movement of the water on the surface, and then the plants are also keep moving. But to be precise, I'm more happy because of the progress in those plants. As you can see here, now they're pretty fresh and colorful than before. Before they used to getting oranges or grays color, but now they're pretty fresh greens and glowy. So as you can see, and you see some of those are still like the orange, it's still attached to them. But those are the old leaves, and I have been cleaning up the old leaves every other day or so, just to separate them from the plants. So overall, you can see they're doing really good. I can see a nice growth of the roots under, and this is like in 2 weeks, I think, from almost all dead plants, or not dead, I would say, like kind rotten plants, to all fresh plants now. Also, the quantity is pretty much reduced to maybe, I would say, 50% or less than 50%, but I'm pretty sure they will grow well now. So you can see there is one floating, small floating leaves. So they all are growing from these small ones. So it's pretty good. They grow pretty fast. The thing that I want to share about those is I have been using this food, the plant food, for the floating plants, and pretty much I think it is still okay for the other aquarium plants, but it's mostly for the floating plants, I guess. Reason being, it has the additional content of the iron that generally the plants on the surface don't get it. So this is the one, and it doesn't contain any nitrates or nitrites. I'm not very sure, but those are available in the aquarium from the waste products from the fishes. So this is the one that actually kind of saved the floating plants, and the usage is like I use it's like 10 ml per 100. I think I can show you. It's not getting this. But it's like 10 ml per 100 liters. So mine is like 50 liters. So I put like 5 ml every week. So, and this is how they progress right now. So you can see they're pretty fresh and reviving again. And also I'm getting new leaves in the these plants. They are the plants also. This is the recent one that grew maybe like in last week. And also the small leaves coming from the other aquatic plant. I guess so that actually can very well say that it's not impacting the plant food is not damaging the regular plants. So it's quite aquarium friendly, and also the fishes don't have any problem with that. So it's quite aquarium safe, and it's a nice brand. I got a suggestion from and it's a pretty cheap also. I got suggestion from the zoo store, the aquarium store. Easy-Life Profito. You can look for it. I think you can find it online also if you would like to buy online. Maybe you get a better deal online. But and the quantity is pretty good, and the usage is pretty minimal, so it will last longer for me. So yeah, that's pretty much the update that mostly I wanted to share about the plant nutrient that I started using for my floating plants, and I'm very, very, very happy with the progress of it. I was a bit skeptical if it is really needed, but now I can definitely say that you really need to feed some kind of nutrients to your plants if you're putting especially the floating plants in your aquarium, because they will need the iron content. The first concern was like probably the rotting is because of the humidity. As you can see, it's pretty much covered the whole the time, but that's not the case. I mean, like now also I have it covered pretty much 3/4 of the day, and half covered the remaining time. So you can see one plant here, like the kind of rotten plant. So all of these plants were pretty much rotten like that, but now you can see the difference of the grown plants, all fresh and beautiful, attractive. So that was the one good reason for this video, apart from sharing an update of the fish health. So I still haven't got a beta fish for my tank. I really don't. I feel now I started feeling like I might overcrowd, so I'm still waiting to get another aquarium, and then I will experiment to have the beta fish in this tank, and if there would be any problem, then I can move it to the separate tank. So I haven't got the another tank, so I'm taking it slow right now, as I have been busy in so many other things last weeks. But that's all, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and please let me know what do you think about the plant nutrient, which brand you use, and if you have any experience or any suggestions, then comment below. I will appreciate. Thank you once again, and have a good day, and enjoy. Bye bye.